If you are wondering if OPPO Reno 15 supports 100 watts plus chargers and power adapters, then the answer is both yes and no. It actually depends what you want to get out of a power adapter that has 100 watts, because the maximum amount of watts that we have on this phone that we can use is 80 watts if you use UFCS power adapter, and usually it is a Super VOOC power adapter. In this case, of course, 80 watts is the maximum amount of that we can get. So if you have a power adapter that has 80 watts and uses UFCS technology, then in this case, this is pretty much the best you can get. If you get more than 80 watts, let's say 100, 125, and so on and so forth, then in that case, it won't make any difference, and you will just have exactly the same charging speed as in the case of the 80 watts power adapter. So in this case, there is no difference between these two power adapters, so 80 watts and let's say 100 watts power adapters, if you compare them to the charging speeds of both of them. But if you are wondering if you can just, generally speaking, use those power adapters, those that have 100 watts, then the answer is yes, of course. You can still use power adapters that have more watts than the phone can, in theory, take. And nothing wrong will happen. The phone will just simply use as much as it can. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.